Hello. Would you like to know what station we're at today? We're at Kent Station in Cork. If I show you here, here is Kent Station in Cork. This is my first visit here in 4 years. Now, the most recent time I was here, the station signage was different. When I was last here, that was July 2014, I think. The station signage was the red and white, the red, black and orange, black and white signs that similar to ones you see in Limerick. As here, this is platform 4. If I just show you here, it's an ICR platform number 4. I took this on the 10 a.m. from Dublin, Houston. Just heading out to depart. It's a 5-piece set. And if you see here, this station has a total, if you count closely, 5 platforms, exactly like Adamstown and Hazelhatch. So the ICR heads out. Platform 4 is mainly used for trains to and from Dublin, Houston. And you see here, platform 5 is split into A and B. We have the travel centre there, and in the main concourse, so you can see here, platform 5. Since the station got the new signage, it's still platform 5 still retains the A and B, and also the LED display signs are different compared to the ones in Dublin. This station was named after Thomas Kent in 1966, one of the executed leaders of the 1916 Rising. Over here is the travel centre, and over here is the lift to platform 5 via a subway. Now I'm going to take you to the main concourse. Platforms 5. Recently at Houston we had our platforms in Houston were split into A and B recently to avoid passengers opening the wrong doors. Here's the platform 5 LED display. Let's take you to the main concourse now. Here we are in the main concourse. And you can see out there, as you zoom in, is a 2600 class DMU on a service to Cobh. And if you looked closely, the 2600s did not have their gangways removed. And you can see here, platforms 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And you have the departure and arrival screens, ticket machines. We have the Ulster Bank ATM. And also, if you saw closely, leaf cards could be used too. And also here, we have an old steam loco on display, number 36. Right, see you soon.